Hello everyone and welcome to the MaRDMO demo videos. This time we will focus on the documentation of mathematical models. In the previous videos we already documented the model itself, a related computational task and a related mathematical expression. This time we will focus on the related quantities. In the previous videos we already defined 4 different quantities, namely the bacterial growth rate, the limiting bacterial growth rate, the substrate concentration, and the Monod constant. As we have seen, these quantities were automatically added to the quantity section of the interview with their labels and short descriptions. Here we are exemplarily on the page of the bacterial growth rate. First of all, we have to say now if the quantity is specific or a more general concept. In this case, it's a specific quantity. Once again, we will skip the detailed description of the quantity and provide some properties. The quantity is deterministic, it's dimensional, it's static, and that's it. Next up, we could provide an external identifier for quantity kinds, namely the QUDT identifier. However, since we define a quantity, that's not relevant for us. Likewise, we could define a definition of the quantity and the corresponding elements. However, this is also not interesting for us. This would be the information block of the quantities, and as before, we could now define some relations between the quantity or quantity kind we defined here with other quantities or quantity kinds from the MaRDMO portal or other pages of our interview. For example, we could say now that the bacterial growth rate is specialized by the limiting bacterial growth rate. And thereby we would have related these two quantities. This is the end of this little demo video. Thanks for watching.